Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these quick and easy crochet flower coasters. They are super adorable and they are beginner friendly, super fun to make, and it only takes about 15 to 20 minutes each. And believe me, once you make one, you won't want to stop. They're seriously addictive. These crochet coasters are perfect for gifts, markets, or just brighten up your own space. I'm using 100% cotton yarn, which is my go-to for coasters because it's absorbent, heat resistant, easy to wash, and keep its shape beautifully. So grab your favorite colors and your favorite yarn and let's get stitching. You can crochet along with me, but if you prefer, you can also download the PDF version of this pattern on my Etsy shop, or you can read the free version of this pattern on my blog, dublinbaycrochet.com. If you enjoy watching this tutorial, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun crochet projects like this one. We're going to start round number 1 by creating a magic ring. And once you've created the magic ring, you're going to work 2 chains. And these 2 chains do not count as a stitch here. Then you're going to work 12 double crochet all into the ring. You're going to yarn over and insert your hook into the magic ring, yarn over again and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And this is how you make your double crochet. I'm gonna go ahead and continue working double crochets until I have 12 in total, and I'll show you what to do next. Here I've worked 12 double crochets in total, so now you're going to pull the yarn tail in order to close the ring, and then you're going to work a slip stitch into the first double crochet from the round, and this is going to be round 1 completed. Now we're going to start working on round number 2, and you're going to start by making 2 chains, and then you're going to go into the same space and work 1 double crochet 2 together. So you're going to start working on the first double crochet, but you're not going to finish. You're going to start working on another double crochet, and when you have 3 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and close them all together. And that's going to be the first double crochet 2 together completed. Then you're going to work 2 chains and work 1 double crochet 3 together into the next stitch. For that, you're going to start working on a double crochet and you're not going to finish. Work on a second double crochet all into the same space, and again you're not going to finish. And then work another double crochet all into the same space, and when you have 4 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and close them all together, and then you're going to work 2 chains, and this is the first double crochet 3 together completed. And these are going to be the petals of our flower coasters. So we're going to work another double crochet 3 together. So you're going to start by working 1 double crochet without closing, then work a second double crochet into the same space without closing, and a third one all into the same space. And when you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and close them all together, and then work 2 chains. And here you have another double crochet 3 together completed. And now this is a sequence you're going to repeat. You're going to work 1 double crochet 3 together into each double crochet and work 2 chains until the end of your round. Here I've completed the round, so I have 12 petals in total. So now I'm going to work a slip stitch into the first double crochet 2 together from the round. And this is round number 2 completed, and you should have 12 petals in total. To start round number 3, you're going to move with a slip stitch into the next chain space and work 1 chain. And then you're going to work 1 single crochet all into the same space, work 3 chains, and work another single crochet into the next chain space. And now this is a sequence you're going to repeat. You're going to work 1 single crochet into the next chain space, followed by 3 chains until the end of the round. And when you get to the end, you're going to work a slip stitch into the first single crochet of the round. And this is going to be round number 3 completed. And now for round number 2, you're going to work 1 single crochet into the next chain space, followed by 3 double crochets all into the same space. And this is going to be the first petal of our flower coasters. And after you finish the 3 double crochets, you're going to work 1 single crochet into the same space. And this is the first petal completed. Now you're going to repeat the same sequence into each chain space from the coaster. So you're going to work 1 single crochet, followed by 3 double crochets, and then you're going to work 1 single crochet all into the same space. And here I have 2 petals now completed. So go ahead and continue working this sequence until you get to the end of the round. I've now completed the round, so I worked 12 petals in total. And now you're going to work a slip stitch into the first single crochet from the round. And now you can go ahead and cut the yarn because your flower coasters are completed. There are only 4 round repeat, so you only need to cut the yarn and weave in the ends, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. You're going to grab a tapestry needle, and then you're going to insert your tapestry needle inside the stitches in order to hide that last end. And I like going through the stitches at least 3 times in order to make sure the project won't unravel. And then you can go ahead and cut the yarn. And now you're going to repeat the same process with the rest of the ends. Now your flower coaster is completed. So I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!